श्रीमन्महाभारतं 43rd डे। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Sriman Mahabharatam Adi Parvam 3rd chapter Paushya Parvam, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Uttanka has taken those two ornaments, kundalas, and one naked bhikshu, sannyasi, was chasing Uttanka. Uttanka noticed that, and after some time, Uttanka kept those ornaments on the floor and went to do his Sandhya Vandanam. By then, this naked sannyasi has grabbed those two ornaments and started running away. Then Uttanka finished his Aradhana, Sandhya Vandanam, and Tarpanas to Devatas. He did namaskaram to acharyas and then immediately started chasing that naked bhikshu. After some time, Uttanka almost reached that person. Then that person immediately became a snake called Takshaka. And that Takshaka, on that same spot, he found one hole. From that hole, he went into that hole and pravishyacha nagalokam svabhavanam agachat. From that hole, all the way that Takshaka reached his nagalokam, his palace. Uttanka then remembered that queen's words that, hey Uttanka, Takshaka is trying to steal these ornaments. Then Uttanka, now he also wanted to reach Nagalokam through that hole. He started digging that hole, but he could not do that. Indra noticed that, and Indra sent his Vajrayudham, saying that, oh Vajrayudhama, go ahead and help that Brahmana Uttanka. Then that Vajrayudham came and got into that stick. Uttanka could dig that hole, and Uttanka also reached Nagalokam. He has seen such a huge Nagalokam which is filled up with big palaces, and Uttanka prayed all the Nagas, but there was no benefit. Then Uttanka noticed one great person, Mahapurusha, along with one beautiful horse. Uttanka prayed that person. That person got pleased and said, Uttanka, I am very much pleased your prayers. What do you want? Then Uttanka said, I want all the Nagas to be under my custody. Then that Purusha says, you heavily throw the air from your mouth in the back of this horse. Then Uttanka did the same. With that force of the air, from each and every hole of that horse, huge flames came out, and all those flames spreaded all over Nagalokam. Then Takshaka got very much scared with that flame and fumes. Immediately came out of his palace and gave those two ornaments to Uttanka and said, oh Uttanka, please take this. Uttanka has taken those kundalas. But Uttanka started thinking that it is almost 4th day. My Guru Patnis, my Guru's wife's vratam is today is going to be last day. So how can I reach back there? Like that Uttanka was thinking at that time. That Mahapurusha says, oh Uttanka, don't worry. You take this horse. This horse will take you to your destination within no time, within a moment. Then Uttanka got onto that horse and came back to Gurukulam. By then, Gurupatni was almost thinking to curse this Uttanka because he did not reach on time. But Uttanka reached over there, gave those kundalas to Gurupatni, and then Gurupatni says, "Oh Uttanka, you have done such a great thing. May all auspicious merits come to you. May you reach attainment." Like that, wife of Guru blessed Uttanka. Then Uttanka did namaskaram to Acharya. Acharya is asking, "Uttanka, welcome back. Where did you go? What did you do all this time?" Like that, Acharya asked, and now Uttanka answering Acharya like this. What Uttanka is going to tell him, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharat. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. And while dedicating ourselves to Sriman Narayana, let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asking all of us to do 8 things. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that definitely we will do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.